Hello, welcome. And episode number 29, still on the mechanic dynamics. So, an inclined plane of inclination of theta has a length of 15 meters if a body rolls down the plane freely along the entire length with an acceleration of what? 5 meters per second. You have to calculate the angle of inclination, the height of the plane also. Let's see if we can make a sketch of what that will look like. Now, the object is placed here. There's a moving down the entire length, meaning starting from the beginning of the inclined plane and move to this side, moving all the 15 meters. So if the body is moving down or rolling down completely, it means that the acceleration of that body is what we can consider. So for the first one, we can say that the acceleration is equals to positive sine of the angle of inclination. If you can check the episode we did. So as the body moves down entire length of the plane, the acceleration will be given by this. So within this, the acceleration has been provided. Force of gravity, the only unknown is this. So I can only say that where A equals to 5 meter per second square, but again, your G is also 10 meter per second square. So by substitution, I have 5 equals to 10 sine what? Theta. Let's divide by 10. The sine theta will now become 5 divided by what? 10, which is 0.45. But we are not looking for the sine of the angle. We need the angle itself. Therefore, theta will be equals to the sine inverse of 0.5. And I think by recall, that will give you 30 degrees. So therefore, the angle of what inclination becomes what? 30 degrees from this section. Now, for the B, the only information provided here is we know the length of the plane. We also know the angle of inclination. Then we can look at this not as dynamics, but as what? Trigonometry. Which this is the angle opposite adjacent. So I only say that from the diagram, we can have the sine of the angle 30 degrees equals to the h divided by what? 15. So if you cross multiply, h become the 15 sine what? 30 degrees. Remember, sine 30 is 0.5. So 0.5 is half. So half of 15 will give you 7.5. It's a height, so this is going to be in what? Meters. So the height of the plane is going to be 7.5. The angle of inclination will be 30 degrees. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.